This episode of The Young Turks is brought to you by Netflix. Go to netflix.com/TYT for your free trial membership. About a month ago, we did a story on a drug that would cut premature births by 33%. So it's a really important drug because, of course, premature births lead to health issues and, birth defects. So it turns out that compounding pharmacies were creating this injection that would decrease the premature birth rates. And then after the FDA approved this drug, it turned out that KV Pharmaceuticals started selling the drug for $1,500 per dose. Now, the pharmacies, before the FDA approved it, were selling it for $10 per dose. Well, it turns out that Senator Sherrod Brown from Ohio found out about this. He was outraged by it, and he basically started pressuring KV Pharmaceuticals to change its price. Well, it turns out that the pharmaceutical company has now reduced its price by 55% from $1,500 to $690 per dose. And they're hoping that everyone will kind of lay off of them, stop criticizing them, and let them get away with charging people significantly more than what the pharmacies were charging before. By the way, they're also offering a 23% discount for those who have Medicaid. So
a couple of things here. You have to have about 15 shots. So it's not just one $690 bill. The total bill still comes out to about $10,000, okay, which is a tremendous amount of money, of course, especially when you used to get the shots for $10. Now, to be fair to the companies, they go through a lot of expense to get to this drug, and so they have to make up that money. But on the other hand, it's obvious that the pricing is totally random, meaning like they are charging as much as they possibly can, and if they get any kind of blowback on it, they're like, all right, let's knock off $800 from the price per shot, and they're still making a tremendous amount of money, right? So, I mean, if there was no political pressure at all, they'd have been charging $800 more per shot, let alone the fact that what they're charging now is still incredibly high. And if you thought that was all bad, they've also gotten government funding to help with getting this drug.
Right,
apparently
with the research.
$21 million.
Right, exactly. The government helped, our tax dollars helped fund the research to basically test this drug and make sure that it's okay, to give out to people. But, you're right, Cenk. I mean, the pharmacies were making this drug and it only cost them $10 per dose. I mean, this markup is ridiculous. And the reason why I bring this story back up now is not only to update you guys on what happened, but also to show you that if you bring attention to stories like this, if you really focus on pressuring these pharmaceutical companies to change their prices and change the things that they're doing, it could happen. Like, I love that Senator Brown really took this case on and, pressured this pharmaceutical company to change the price. He says that he's still not happy. It's still significantly high. But, if you pressure them and if you bring attention to these stories, changes can be made. And I like that. It gives me a little ray of hope.
Get a load of Netflix. They deliver the movie to your house, no late charges, free shipping.
You can watch thousands of movies or TV shows straight on your PC or on your television through a gaming console.
Netflix.com/TYT. Free trial membership. You get Netflix all over you.